A very good morning to all my dear students. Today our subject is maths, and today we will learn about numbers in between 1 to 50. But before starting, let's have a quick recap. In our last classes of maths, we have learned about after numbers and before numbers. Let's have a look. What comes after? After means बाद में. After means बाद में. I have a number that is 24. What is the number? 24. And what comes after 24? What comes after 24? Yes, number 25. So the answer is 25. To get after numbers, we always move forward. हम हमेशा आगे की तरफ जाते हैं जब भी हमें आफ्टर नंबर्स निकालने होते हैं. Now, what comes before? Before means पहले. Before means पहले. Now I have a number and the number is 19. Number is 19. Now tell me what comes before 19. What comes before 19? Yes, it is number 18. It is number 18 that comes just before 19. And to get before numbers, we always move backward. जब भी हमें before numbers निकालने होते हैं तो हम पीछे की तरफ जाते हैं. Okay? Now let's move forward. Now the topic of the day is numbers in between 1 to 50. In between means बीच में. दो numbers के बीच में कौन सा number आता है? So let's start. Numbers in between. I have numbers from 1 to 10. Now I choose two numbers. मैंने दो numbers choose किए and the numbers are 1 and 3. Now tell me what comes in between 1 and 3. Yes, it is number 2. It is very easy. It is number 2. 2 comes in between 1 and 3. Now look how to write it. I have number 1. Okay. What is the number? 1. And the other number is 3. 3. And what comes in between 1 and 3? 1 और 3 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? And the answer is 2. Answer is 2. So 2 comes in between 1 and 3. Now let's take one more example. Now I choose 7 and 9. So what comes in between 7 and 9? अब 7 और 9 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? Yes, it is number 8. Number 8 comes in between 7 and 9. Now look here. How to write it? Which two numbers I have? 7 and 9. So what comes in between 7 and 9? Yes, it is number 8. So 8 comes in between 7 and 9. Now I have numbers from 11 to 20 and I choose two numbers, 12 and 14. So what is the missing number? कौन सा नंबर बीच में से मिसिंग है? वो ही नंबर बीच में आएगा, है ना? 12 और 14 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर मिसिंग है? जब हम काउंटिंग करते हैं तो 12 के बाद 13 एंड देन 14. So 13 comes in between 12 and 14. Now look here again. Number is 12. And second number is 14. So what comes in between 12 and 14? And the correct answer is 13. Number 13 comes in between number 12 and 14. One more example. Number 16 and number 18. Now tell me what comes in between 16 and 18. Yes, it is number 17. 17 comes in between numbers 16 and 18. It is very easy. Yes? Okay. Now, again look here. We have two numbers, that is 16 and 18. And what comes in between these two numbers? Yes, it is number 17. 17 comes in between 16 and 18. 17, 16 और 18 के बीच में आता है. Now I have numbers from 21 to 30. Again I choose two numbers. मैंने फिर से दो numbers choose करे and the numbers are 22 and 24. And what comes in between 22 and 24? Yes, very good. It is number 23. 23 comes in between number 22 and 24. Now, again, look here. I have number 22 and second number is 24. And what comes in between these two numbers? इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आया था? हमने ऊपर किया है ना? Yes, it is number 23. So 23 comes in between numbers 22 and 24. Now we have 26 and 28. Now tell me what comes in between these two numbers? अब इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Yes, it is number 27. So again look here. We have two numbers 26 and 28. And what comes in between these two numbers? We have done, that is 27. So 27 comes in between numbers 26 and 28. So this is the right answer. Let's move forward. Now I have numbers from 31 to 40. Again I choose two numbers and the numbers are 31 and 33. And now you can easily tell me what comes in between these two numbers. अब आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? आप आसानी से बता सकते हैं कि इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में कौन सा नंबर मिसिंग है, यानी कि कौन सा नंबर आएगा इनके बीच में? 31 और 33 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 32. Very good. So 32 comes in between 31 and 33. What numbers we have? 31 and 33. And what comes in between? Yes, 32. Right answer. One more example. Again I choose two numbers and the numbers are 38 and 40. Now tell me what comes in between 38 and 40? Yes, it is number 39. 39 comes in between 38 and 40. Now again look here how to write it. What numbers we have? 38 and next number is 40. So what comes in between these two numbers? Yes, it is number 39. Number 39. Now the last set of numbers is 41 to 50. And the examples are, first example is, I choose two numbers 43 and 45. Now tell me what comes in between these two numbers. 43 and 45 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Yes, it is number 44. So the right answer is 44. Again look here. We have two numbers 43 and 45. What comes in between these two numbers? We have already done. Tell me. Yes, it is number 44. So 44 comes in between 43 and 45. Okay. Now I have number 47 and 49. Now what comes in between these two numbers? अब आप देख सकते हैं और आप इजीली बता भी सकते हैं ना कौन सा नंबर आएगा इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में? Yes, it is number 48. So 48 comes in between 47 and 49. Now again look here. What numbers we have? First is 47. What is the number? 47. And second number is 49. Second number is 49. And what comes in between? Yes, it is 48. So the right answer is 48. So students, I hope the concept of numbers in between is clear to you and you are able to understand it with the help of these examples. Now in homework, do the given worksheet for more practice. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.